What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you're having an amazing day. And today's trip will be taking us up into the Blue Mountain, home of the Blue Mountain coffee. Beautiful and lush scenery, not to mention all of the vegetation. So guys, please keep it locked. The experience of the Blue Mountain and everything that is added in between, you don't want to miss out.
You have the maroons and you have
So you have the maroons that is up this side as well.
yeah, they're about
Maroons is over here as well?
3 miles, just 3 miles.
This side is mainly for coffee purposes. The harvesting, the planting and everything is all the way up on the mountain. And I'm already sweating. Yeah, so we're picking up some stuff.
We can pay for this here?
So now we're heading up to Blue Mountain. We got everything that we need. Now we're heading out. It's pretty hot, but we're gonna be doing what we have to do just to traverse this steep landscape and go up in the hills. What I'm more aesthetic about, guys, is for this experience, it's going to be quite a different experience for me personally, because I don't know what to expect. I'm sure that there's a lot of surprises once we get up there, and there's also coffee beans that grown in Blue Mountain. So once we reach up there, we will understand a little bit more. So guys, as we're on our way traversing to go to Blue Mountain, we came across this nice little inhabitants right here with the water. It's a pretty good experience to just see so much going on. Even coconuts you could get right here. These $1.50 for the coconut. Cool, not so sweet, not so fresh. It's definitely the way to enjoy a Blue Mountain journey. This is true enjoyment. The air is much more refined, and not just that alone, guys, but came up to the mountain, your ears pop. The climate has definitely changed, and you can see it with the vegetation, the plants. So you can rent a bicycle. You can also get arts and crafts, bags, coffees, t-shirt. Look at even the seasonings. The seasoning are homemade, homegrown. This is really good quality type seasoning, from the jerk seasoning to the coffee bean and all of the natural products that you have here. Look, even this is a pipe, and then you have even shot glasses to put marijuana inside, and then you just turn it. Look, just put it inside, but it also take on the shape of a yo-yo. It does look like a yo-yo, right? Those are what you call coffee beans. And these ones are also prying open. The different colors of coffee beans, from the red, the green, and the yellow.
Put on the big pot with fire and you can store the coffee. And start to stir it.
So it's like you're baking the coffee.
Yeah. Try it if you don't want to stir it in the wine side I bean or
you can smell the strong aroma.
Put it in the mortar like this.
Oh, so you beat it until it turns dust.
Yeah, so when it crushes like this to make a coffee.
Yeah, Wait, just hold your hand.
Yeah.
This is what the coffee should be.
Here's the bean.
You can pluck your these are naked bean. Bean naked. So you have to wash these bean and straight on a barbecue like a concrete to dry for a couple of days.
Yeah.
When it dry, you have a trash just like a fingernail have to come off, you know.
Yeah.
I like sure. These are when it's naked. These are when ready to roast in a pot.
Yeah.
You hear me? Yeah, so yeah, yeah, we roast it, just put it and mash it.
Blue Mountain coffee is a type of coffee that is grown in Blue Mountains of Jamaica. It is known for its mild flavor, smooth, and lack of bitterness. The unique climate and soil condition in the Blue Mountain contributes to the coffee's distinguished taste. Blue Mountain coffee is highly regarded and often considered one of the best and most expensive coffees in the world. The coffee beans are what makes Blue Mountain Blue Mountain. Yeah, right. The sky opens up and then a stream of water just keeps pouring down on the vegetation around it. That white stream is all rain. And believe it or not, you're hearing motorcycles, cars. We're at a particular location and I think they said that this is called Castle Hill. No, Strawberry Hill. We have to go right now. So we're going to meet up with the guy that they call Breadbox. I come up on this amazing view that I think that you guys need to see as well. So everything that you guys are seeing here is St. Andrew and the surrounding areas. The development and the view is so exhilarating, so captivating. It's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. Wow, I'm really liking this experience because, like I said before, it's a one of a kind, and this experience is something that will never leave you. Bob Marley's son was the one that came here, paint up all of the stones in the Jamaican color. White House. I'll get some mic on it. Only thing they have here experience. Wow.
Oh, wow.
It's baby tomato. Right. Call it bird tomato. So this the taste is natural, still tasting like a tomato, but it's just smaller. The raw form that it's currently in, you get to taste the difference with the quality of it. And it's not just the quality, but the topsoil. West Indian raspberries, also known as Jamaican raspberries or Caribbean raspberries, are a type of raspberries that is native to the Caribbean region. They are similar and sweeter than the traditional red raspberries commonly found in North America and Europe. And it really tastes good. You can taste the sweetness, you can taste every single seed inside of it.
It can get bigger than this, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah. Depends on.
So how high would a coffee tree usually get? Like
we don't make it get taller than you because that's a problem to pick it off.
Oh, so you stunt the growth of the coffee tree.
Right.
Okay.
So you get more and you get more from angling. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, that's why. Oh, you see like it go up?
Yeah.
I forget to what those. So it stay up on the height where it is. It more
oh,
come down
so
and be around.
Because the top of the tree is coming up, you have to cut down the top part just to stunt the growth of it. Otherwise, it would just keep on growing.
It would keep on going.
Okay.
So here it would have less, and then up in the top it would have just have some coffee.
Yeah.
So you wouldn't get no.
You wouldn't get the full quality of everything.
Right. Because it growth, they would have said growth, you know.
Okay. What he does is when he stunt the growth of the tree, he picks off the top part of it. That way the tree doesn't grow out of control to the point where he can't harvest the coffee.
With same time.
So all of here would be where the maroon inhabited.
Yes, is
so from here go all the way back to Port Antonio.
Right.
It's a whole slavery places there. They normally parch coffee back then. Slavery plantation, coffee, yeah, them have the barbecue, something that the old mansion is still there. Make out a stone, brick, right up.
Okay.
But it's still there though, but it's old.
Yeah. It's not torn down. Right?
No, you know, fully demolished, but you can see the orchestration and everything that is there.
There is a slave plantation. They would break down the coffee. They used to plant coffee, reap the coffee, then grind down the coffee to turn it into the powder for it to be shipped. Similar to what we saw earlier on in the clip. It's the same process.
Onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper, you know, a little bit of powder season. Yeah. While now it's cooking, when it's almost finished, I'm gonna put some more of these on it. You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're waiting until it simmer down and
then I cut up some more stuff on it.
Your onion, your pepper. Now,
Piece of thyme.
just dropping your thyme inside of the pot. Just to simmer it down and make sure that everything reaches perfection. And this house have its own attic, so there's a little small bedroom upstairs, and downstairs is the living hall. Just the means of survival is what everyone rely on, because they're so innovative in their own way and they know what they have to do in order to survive. It's very unique in its own sense. It tastes phenomenal, guys. Look at how brown the chicken is. Everything is cooked just perfect, just the way you like it. This is something that you could see in a restaurant. All the gravy on the rice. The food was amazing. The texture of the chicken, the rice. Oh, I am completely full. With all of that being said, guys,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
and we're out.